Hi, my name is Emma Kelling. It is 10/25/21. I'm originally from Minnesota. I grew up about 40 miles north of the Twin Cities. For the last 2 years, though, I lived on Oahu with my husband. He's in the military, and this summer we moved to Houston, Texas. So that's currently where I am residing and working on gaining residency here. My undergraduate degree is in neuroscience. I completed that in Minnesota, and then did my master's of public health through a university in Hawaii. So I completed that this summer, wrapped it up, and currently I am kind of a part-time student with taking this course right now, and then I'm studying full-time for the MCAT and applying to medical school this upcoming cycle this summer. The reasons I'm taking this course is it's a prerequisite for med school, important for the MCAT, and I just kind of ran out of time to take it during undergraduate. And I am planning on applying to MD and DO schools. Some of my hobbies, reading, I like to bake, I enjoy gardening, being outside, anything, kind of involving nature is great. Like I said, I'm married to a man in the military, and my family is all still in Minnesota. Like I said, right now I'm studying for the MCAT and kind of am a part-time student, so I'm not working. But in the past, I've worked as a nursing assistant. My most recent job was being a medical scribe in an orthopedic clinic. And when I'm done studying for the MCAT here, I'm planning on working in the ER as an ER tech. So that's kind of a little bit about me, and looking forward to learning a little bit more about everyone else in this course.